Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to allow camera access to Facebook Messenger on your device. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, you'll need to navigate to your device settings. This is typically represented by a gear icon on your home screen or app drawer. Tap on it to open your device's main settings menu where you can control all your app permissions and system preferences. Once you're in the settings menu, look for and tap on the option labeled Apps. This section displays all the applications installed on your device and allows you to manage their individual settings, permissions, and data usage. It's essentially your control center for everything app-related on your phone. Now scroll through your list of installed apps until you find Messenger and tap on it. This will open the specific settings page for the Messenger app where you can view its storage usage, permissions, notifications, and other app-specific configurations. Since Messenger handles various features like calling and photo sharing, it requires certain permissions to function properly. Next, tap on Permissions. This option shows you all the different types of access that Messenger has requested or currently has on your device. Permissions can include things like your camera, microphone, storage, contacts, and location. Managing these permissions gives you control over what data and features the app can access. From the list of permissions, tap on Camera. This is the specific permission that controls whether Messenger can access your device's camera for features like video calls, taking photos within the app, or scanning QR codes. Without this permission enabled, you won't be able to use any camera-related features in Messenger. Finally, tap the radio button next to Allow only while using this app. This setting strikes a perfect balance between functionality and privacy. It means Messenger can access your camera when you're actively using the app for video calls or taking photos, but it won't have background access when the app is closed. This ensures your camera isn't being used without your knowledge while still allowing all the features you need. And that's it. You've successfully granted camera access to Facebook Messenger, and now you can enjoy video calls and photo sharing features without any issues. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.